Damion.
I'm Quanda, and today we are experiencing
Ajaccio, Corsica.
Corsica. No idea what's here to do, to see, to eat, to take a picture of.
We're gonna figure it out.
So if you want to experience it Ajaccio with us,
And who?
keep on watching.
This brother dressed like me.
Oh, Damion got a twin. Watch. Behind me, you're going to see Damien's twin brother. That means I picked the right pants. You even got the man purse. That's a drone bag, not a man purse, but it qualifies to match his twin brother, so it works for me. First stop needs to be food, because yes, we did just wake up at like 11 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's now 12:46.
11 o'clock in the afternoon.
11 o'clock in the afternoon. That's afternoon to some people that actually wake up like early in the morning, like they actually get up.
That's true.
Like at 6 a.m. or like 5 o'clock. Caleb. I don't know how Caleb.
I wake up from about 8 o'clock though.
No, you didn't.
Wake up 8 o'clock, I go back to sleep, I'm gonna get up at 9
You
o'clock.
didn't wake up. I've been up, in that case, I've been up since 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. You want to be in a competition? I see. All right, we're going to find our way and then come back to you guys, because walking and talking, I don't want to get knocked down. So we have made it to the other side. However, we didn't make it to the lighthouse. The lighthouse is over there. And we are over here. And the ship is behind you. I just showed a clip of the ship behind you and in front of me. And right now, this guy is going to fly his lovely drone. So of course, I will insert those clips here if that actually happens. Because every time I say he's going to fly the drone,
It doesn't happen.
he doesn't fly the drone. So, let's see. Damion keep eating bread. This is fifth bread. Look at him. Look at the bread. Look at the bread. Why you keep eating the bread?
It's better than everything else.
It is the end of day 2 on board. And today, as you can see, we visited Ajaccio, Corsica. Wow. I said it right? Yeah.
Ajaccio.
Ajaccio, Corsica.
Ajaccio. I think it's just Ajaccio. It's not Spanish. It's French.
Okay.
One of them.
So the port itself is a small island, and
I wouldn't say island. It's not an island.
it is an island. It's an island.
Okay.
Island is a place surrounded by body of water.
You're right. Go ahead.
So yes, it is an island. We literally saw like 5% of the island, I believe. We didn't really go exploring because our plan for this port was okay. So the port itself wasn't on the itinerary when we booked. It was a sea day, and then it turned out to be a port day last minute, like a month ago. So we was like, oh, we don't know what this place is. We don't have any plans. We're just gonna come off the ship, go and eat, come back on the ship. It was 12 hours we were in port. So we figured just go get something to eat, come back and hang out on the ship. So we went out late, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock almost.
12 o'clock.
Found some food eventually, and then we ended up going to some little place to get some drone shots. And then take the pictures. I got to talk to my new friends. As you can see in this drone shot where Damion left me, and a French guy was talking to me in French, not a lick of English, but
And he kept speaking.
and he kept talking and laughing and talking, and I'm like, we. I had no idea what he was saying, but then I was like, wait, I got my app.
Translator app.
Translator app did come in handy, and he did not know about the translator app. He was like, oh, in French, what is this?
Oui.
How do you do it? So then I ended up showing him how to work the translator app. So that was
good.
fun. But yeah, so it was a pretty short day. We have nothing really to say about the port. We don't know if we will tell you to come off the ship or not. We wanted to do a bus tour around the island, but it was a 45-minute wait, and we don't have any patience. So we decided to just come back on the ship.
I'm not a doctor. I couldn't do it. Even though it was 4 hours before departure.
Yeah, we still had time to do it, but it was an hour tour, which was what, $9 for an hour tour?
9 euros.
Yeah, so if you decide to come off in this port, if you ever come to this port, it's 9 euros to do a tour for an hour.
Right outside the port.
Right outside the
The
port.
people are there.
Yeah, so I would recommend doing that.
Yeah.
But that's all we got.
For dinner, we went to Voyage. It was 2 different type of experience. You could order the appetizer and the entree, or you can do a small bit of everything. I guess that's what they call the experience. It's not for me.
Or me. It was very bougie.
For those that have been on Royal Caribbean, it is similar.
No, do not say Wonderland.
I'm not gonna say the food. I'm gonna say the portion of food is similar. Kinda. Where they give you different portions, different type. I guess you're supposed to be going through a journey of flavors and food, but
I didn't get that.
I didn't get it either. It just tasted bland, a lot of it. But, everybody eats one.
It didn't taste bland. It was bougie. We ain't bougie people. You picky as heck with food, and I just want a burger and a pizza. So the food was good for like bougie people.
And it's not cheap. So if you plan on going on the Beyond and you want to book that I'm gonna put the name here. I don't remember the name. It's not cheap, but if you want to experience the bougie life, there's wine. There's an optional wine pairing for each meal that you receive, and if you want to opt into that, it's $100 per person. But it's an optional thing, so you don't have to do it
For the bougie.
for the bougie.
So if you are, let me not say bougie. That was rude. Don't say bougie. If you have a mature palate,
I don't.
which we do not have. If you have a mature palate, it would be a great place to experience. But our experience wasn't it. No. So we left full. Not happy, but full.
Yeah, it is filling. If you decide to eat the
Eat
food,
the food, yes.
you will leave full. So that's it for the dining aspect of things. We just left there, went and got some drinks, did a little shopping,
Took some pictures,
and call it a night. Tomorrow, and that's because tomorrow we have a long day. Our excursion is 9.5 hours.
It's not really that long. I'm pretty sure you can come back when you're ready.
Starting at 8:15.
Yeah. But, before we did go ahead and get some pizza as well from the Ocean View Cafe. It's a note from me. Royal Caribbean, please put a Sorrento's on Celebrity because I need my pizza.
It is still better than other pizzas that you've tasted.
I wasn't going to throw them on the bus. I'm just asking for Sorrento's. Please come on Celebrity. Thanks.
I don't care about it either way.
He be turning up that barbecue pizza up on Sorrento's. Sorrento's.
Oh, yeah.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Don't get just what I'm saying to me.
One moment.
Go ahead.
We're back. But that'll be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Really wasn't too much going on, but we did show you a little bit of our experience today on board and at the port of Ajaccio, Casca. And we hope that you will come back to tomorrow's video and the video after that. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to do so. And leave a like if you enjoyed. And a comment if you have any questions.
That'll be awesome. Yeah.
Concerns.
We'll answer. 2 minutes.
Pray for me as I pray for you. Listen to the voice, not the words, and have a wonderful day.
She did not just do that.
Listen to the words and not the voice. That's what it is. Listen to the words and not the voice.
See you tomorrow. Bye.